So welcome to my class in continuation with Unit 7, Market Equilibrium, and in this we are going to talk about the shifts in the supply curve on a given demand curve. How does it affect the equilibrium quantity and equilibrium price? So first we are going to talk about increase in supply. That is, we are going to talk about the rightward shift in the supply curve. Okay. So you can get a question as explain the effect of rightward shift of supply curve or increase in supply on equilibrium price and quantity, and use a diagram for that. So again, let's just see, we've taken the initial, that is, let's take the E. So let's start from the original equilibrium point E, at which equilibrium price is OP and demand is equal to supply is equal to OQ. And the supply curve, the orange one, S1 shows an increase in supply. So that's how we'll do. Increase in supply shifts supply curve from S to S1 to the right, leading to excess supply EF1 at the given price OP. As I read, please look at it. So what is the increase in supply? Excess supply is EF1. That so at this price, what happens? There'll be more supply. So leading to excess supply, EF1. Now, since firms will not be able to sell all what they want to sell, there will be competition among sellers, leading to fall in price. As price falls, demand starts rising along the demand curve, DD. So original demand curve, we don't have a new demand on that demand itself, on that demand curve. So there has been no change in demand. So and supply starts falling along S1 as shown by arrows. These changes continue till demand and supply become equal at new equilibrium point, which is E1. So price falls from OP to OP1 and quantity rises from OQ to OQ1. So this is the effect of a rightward shift of the supply curve. So demand remaining the same when supply curve shifts rightward, that is when supply increases, price falls and quantity sold and purchased increases. So this is how we explained with the help of the chain effects. And in the next, we will talk about the leftward shift of the supply curve. How does it affect the equilibrium, quantity and price? Now look at this. Now you can get a question as explain the chain effects of decrease in supply or leftward shift of supply curve of a good on its price, supply and demand. So again, let's take the diagram. Let's start from the original equilibrium point E, at which the equilibrium price is OP and demand is equal to supply is equal to OQ. And the orange curve that is S2 shows decrease in supply. Is that right? That shows a leftward shift. So now briefly put, when supply curve shifts leftward, that is when supply decreases, equilibrium price rises and quantity purchased and sold falls. Its chain effects are as under. Let us start again. As we said, we started from the initial and point E, where equilibrium price is OP and demand is equal to supply is equal to OQ. When supply decreases, it shifts the supply curve from SS to S2 to the left, leading to short supply, that is EF2 at the given point OP. Okay. Since consumers will not be able to buy all what they want to buy at this price, there will be competition among the buyers, leading to rise in price. So again, there will be a series of expansions and contractions as they're shown with the help of the arrows, the upward movement and the downward movement, the upward movement both ways on the demand curve and as well as the supply curve. In the demand curve, the upward movement shows contraction, and in the supply curve, it shows expansion. The as price rises, supply starts rising along S2 S2. So supply starts expanding and demand starts contracting, falling from along DD as shown by the arrows. These changes continue till demand becomes equal to supply at new equilibrium point E2. So we've got a new equilibrium now. Now in this, the price has risen from OP to OP2 and the quantity falls from OQ to OQ2. So this is how you will study the effects of change of supply in the change in supply on a given demand curve. How does it bring a change in the equilibrium quantity and equilibrium price?